jointly launched by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF, but it's happened in Batmaloo, which has once been the hub of militancy. That was in the 90s when militancy was at its peak, but over the last decade or so, we haven't seen really an encounter taking place in the interior of Batmaloo. There's an option that's really turned into an encounter now, where there was exchange of fire. Now all, the focus is on finding out the militants who are or have escaped from Batmaloo. The search are on not just in that particular spot in Batmaloo where the exchange of fire took place, but in the vicinity also. The search are going on. The operation is still underway, but the firefight has really stopped.
Right, so, internet services have been suspended in the area, and this incident comes just ahead of Independence Day.
Yes, the internet service, that's the standard operating procedure. Whenever there's an encounter in one particular area, the internet, mobile internet service are blocked. That's what's happened today also, and is rightly pointing out the encounter taking place on the eve of the heart of Srinagar, very close to the main venue where the Independence Day function takes place. So clearly it's a worry for the security forces, but what's important that this operation was started when there was a specific intelligence input about the presence of militants. It was not an action carried out by militants. It was based on a specific intelligence input about the presence of militants. That's when the security forces, launched the operation. But clearly the presence of militants in Srinagar, in the heart of the state, is a worrying situation for the security forces, who are generally occupied in anti-militancy operations in places in South Kashmir and in other areas away from Srinagar. But we've seen, actions taking place in Srinagar also. Just a few days ago, there was a firefight again in Batmaloo, but onto the other side, where CRPF party was attacked. So clearly, militants showing their presence in the capital as well.
Right. Thank you, Zafar, so much for bringing us up to date with that developing story. We will be tracking that through the day. Thank you very much.